Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Platinum in Warframe. Platinum is Warframe's premium currency and is mainly earned by trading with other players. To begin, you will need tradable items such as prime parts, prime sets, mods, or other valuable rewards. The most common way to get these items is by running Void Relic missions and opening relics. Once you have tradable items, go to your navigation and visit any relay, such as Strata Relay on Earth. You can also go to Mars and visit Maroo's Bazaar. Alternatively, you can go to your dojo and open the trading menu in any of these locations. Trade your items with other players in exchange for Platinum. You can also use the in-game trade chat to find buyers and negotiate prices. Alternatively, you can open the market and search for Platinum. Platinum can also be purchased using real money. That's it. You've learned how to get Platinum by farming tradable items, trading with other players, and purchasing it directly from the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.